repítame en inglés y yo...
You're watching Rio.
You're watching Rio.
Previously on Trio.
Hola amigos!
Hey Trio Tribe, welcome back. Last time in Trio, we arrived back in the Rio Dulce with luggage still in tow, and we stopped into the boatyard and checked up on the work being done to Saltaire 3.
Like, so good. It's ridiculous.
This time on Trio, it's about life living in limbo as we get closer and closer to the renovation completion and the splashing back in the water of our floating home.
So I wonder how long till our taxi comes.
Not long.
Super Mario! We're done with this room.
Yay!
Talk about being in limbo, man.
Yeah, it's a weird existence right now.
Yeah, because we can't really leave the boat because we need to follow up on it. We can't really work on the boat because they're painting.
Yeah, it's
We-
like Groundhog Day every day.
we-
Just get up and have breakfast, and lunch, and dinner, and go to bed.
Live here for a few days. Now it's so loud. Move to another room for a few days. Then from there, move to our own home for a few days, or forever, hopefully.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to get back on the boat.
Hola amigos.
Hola, Abraham. Buenos días.
Oh, buenos días.
Esta es la parte
Ooh,
superior de
look
arriba.
at how beautiful that looks.
Oh, it even feels
Very cool.
good. Holy.
Aquí falta todavía. Aquí falta.
Sí.
Falta todavía
Más falta.
preparación,
Sí, sí, sí.
más preparación.
It's not done here. You can see how dull it looks, but it's done here, and look at how shiny it is. Beautiful. Wow.
Puede subir arriba.
Okay.
Sí, puede.
Ahora?
Sí, puede. Ahora, no hay problema. Hoy sí.
Okay. It says we can go up top and look right now, so.
That's exactly what we're gonna do.
Mucho calor, sí.
Un poco sí.
¿Cuánto mil es tu papel? ¿Cuánto mil?
Este es 400 todavía.
400.
400.
400.
Sí.
Solo 400.
Mira, aquí ya tiene 1000.
Here I have 1,000, he says.
Da un poco más brillo.
Oh, okay.
Mira,
Ah, yeah,
aquí
yeah.
ya es un poco más de brillo.
Solo 1000.
Sí, solo 1,000.
Necesita 1500,
1,500,
2,000,
2,500,
3000,
3,000,
5000.
5,000.
¿Por
Muy
qué
bien.
este es más amarillo de este?
La diferencia, este ya es muy viejo.
Sí,
Ajá.
es nuevo.
Sí, este es nuevo.
Sí, pero este es solo.
Ajá, hay una gran diferencia. La diferencia es que este ya está muy dañado con el tiempo del sol.
Sí.
Y si se hacía el mismo color.
Wow, look at all along the bench. It's so brilliant and shiny and new. Wow. There's not a crack anywhere. It's incredible.
And all the cracks that were in there are gone.
Yeah, I know.
All of them.
¿Qué piensa, Cola?
Gosh, it looks so good. Like, so good. It's ridiculous.
Awesome.
It's like extreme Botox for boats.
That bus had 19 people inside it and 2 on the side. It's heading for San Felipe. It's crazy, we see that so often. That's the first time I've seen it on the side roads. I usually see it on the main road. So much quieter back here on the side streets. Here's my turn. From your first view, you're like, this is where you're staying? Hola. But it gets better. But ours costs $18. That's a little tienda and a house. Ours is this one on the right, and the cost is $18 per day. So this is Oscar. He has the muy bonito nuevo apartamento aquí in Rio Dulce. Here, come in. Sí, gracias. A televisión, ventilador. It's a fan. ¿Cómo se dice a fan?
Ventilador.
Ventilador. Look at a balcony. Beautiful. Look at. Look at. It's beautiful. And it's quiet. It's so nice and quiet. Oh, it's so nice. I can't even get over how excited I am about peace and quiet. And look at nice bathroom. The shower. I don't think there's hot water, but you know what? We're in the tropics. Who needs it? And a little stove that he's got for us with gas. And actually, from up top, there's hammocks up there on the roof that we can lie in with a view of the Rio.
Oh, it's nice up here. Oh, hammock, sweet. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, I had so much fun playing at the pool today. And now I'm kind of tired and slightly hungry. So I think we're gonna go out for food pretty shortly here. Yeah. So mom and dad went out to go find a restaurant. They found one that's like right at the base of, well, the road where we're staying. So dad just came up to the bottom of the balcony and whistled, and he's like, oh, we found a restaurant. So I got my junk together and now I'm going to go see them. There's a chicken in the middle of the road. He's running at me. Running at me. What's up, dude? What's up? Where they said they were gonna be? Oh, they're there. Hi.
How are you? Son?
Looks really good.
Filming there. This is our breakfast spot right at the bottom of our apartment. You can see just how shiny this side is. Oh man, it's so new. Wow. It just looks awesome. Carlos, sonrisa. For YouTube. So they're using 3,000 now, and then they go up to 5,000, and then they polish it with wax. This part's been sprayed, but it hasn't been sanded at all. And if you can see where Cole's hand is, it's eggshell.
Feels really weird.
And then around, of course, this side, you can just see the shine and the difference.
Look at that.
I know. Look at how shiny that boat is. Have I said that enough yet? Look at how shiny it is. Shiny that boat is. Shiny and new. The shine. Wow. It's so brilliant. It's beautiful.
Very shiny.
Awesome. Oh man, it's so new. Wow.
All right, it's Friday, and we're back at the boat after a few days of being sick with a stomach bug. We've all been laid up for about a week now, and that's kind of sucked. So we're just coming in to check on, see what's going on, and it's kind of exciting because under there I can see that it's gray on the bottom. So they got the primer on the bottom part. Getting so close. Brad's trying to communicate with the taxi driver, and even though we think we get it straight, we keep using the same guy. He never really comes when we ask him to, so we have to phone him anyway.
Well, shall we go and check out the progress?
Yes, let's go check out behind blue door number 1.
Yes.
Woo-wee. Getting close now.
I could do that on this.
That's some kind of shine.
That's primer on there now, the grayest primer. And then the actual bottom paint is black. Really
Yeah.
black.
Yep. So I wonder if they're gonna get just primer today, or do you think they'll get bottom black as well?
That's Carlos. Hola amigos. Buenos dias.
Very shiny. I can see the reflection of the boat across the yard and right there. Wow. I love it without the rub rail. Looks so clean.
Yeah, I don't know why they put it on in the first place.
Right? Countdown's on now. So now they'll get done, and then we will have a really long list of cleaning on the inside, I think. Just getting linens freshened up again. Brad's got some work to put the new props on. He's got some repairs on the dinghy to do.
Water maker.
What else? Oh yeah, we got to get the water maker happening. And what else?
Oh, my list is in my backpack. But each one of those is a day's job. Half a day at least to a day's job.
Yeah.
So that's a challenge.
It's the last of the wait.
I took a photo of the boat, and you can see Mom and Dad. Look at.
Oh wow, yeah, you can. Cool. This is satisfying. GoPro stop recording. We are inside Andy's sticker shop, and we're getting a new name for Solitaire 3. Well, actually not a new name, but just a new decal for Solitaire 3. And we might be changing things up a little bit, so you're gonna have to stay tuned to see what we come up with.
Yeah, there's no clear.
This is so insane. This Semi's trying to get down to the grocery store. That Semi's just irritated. Another one's coming through town. It's just a normal day in Fronteras. Oh my goodness. Organized chaos. It's like, yo, buddy.
They must know each other.
Yeah. No, it's chaos. I don't know if I captured that very well, but it's hilarious, man. And people just go around like it's no big deal. What? Did I just get off on the highway? Oh no, I didn't. Hi, man. here, we'll go into one of these little smaller tiendas. One thing I love about these stores is how perfectly lined up every little item is on the shelves. Like, look at that, it's like a work of art. It's also like a maze in here, hey Cole? Yeah. And I've been hunting for ginger ale and I can't seem to find any. Let me know if you find some, Cole.
That knows like Canada Dry, but not ginger ale.
My inner organizer is
No,
super
más
stoked.
pequeño. Sí, no, más pequeño.
We're buying some rum.
Gracias.
Yo,
No, espera.
you're crooked a little bit, Dad.
You're watching
watching
Trio.
Trio.
Dos, tres.
Escuche por aquí.
Yeah, it's beeping. Let's go. Vamos. Dale.
Repítame en inglés y yo.
You're watching Trio.
You're watching Trio.
You're
You're
watching Trio.
watching Trio.
En español.
Yo
Watching.
en español.
Okay.
Yo Santiago Trio.
Perfecto.